Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hot fudge sundae. First, gather your essential ingredients: your favorite ice cream, a rich hot fudge sauce, fluffy whipped cream, and a bright red cherry. The initial step is to gently warm your hot fudge. You can do this on the stovetop over low heat, stirring occasionally. Aim for a warm, pourable consistency, but be careful not to let it boil. This ensures a smooth, decadent topping for your dessert. Now it's time to build your masterpiece. Take your serving dish and scoop in about 2 or 3 generous portions of your chosen ice cream. Vanilla is a classic, but feel free to experiment. Next, take your perfectly warmed hot fudge and pour a lavish amount directly over the ice cream. Make sure it cascades down the sides, creating those irresistible rivulets of chocolatey goodness. This step is crucial for that iconic sundae look and taste. The fun continues with the toppings. Grab your whipped cream and add a generous, fluffy swirl right on top of the hot fudge and ice cream. This adds a lovely contrast in texture and temperature. Then, for that classic finishing touch, place a single, vibrant maraschino cherry directly on the peak of the whipped cream. If you're feeling adventurous, a sprinkle of chopped nuts or colorful sprinkles can add an extra layer of deliciousness and visual appeal. Your perfect hot fudge sundae is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. It's best served immediately, allowing you to experience the wonderful contrast between the warm, rich fudge and the cold, creamy ice cream. Each spoonful offers a delightful blend of textures and flavors. This timeless dessert is a fantastic treat for any occasion, whether you're enjoying it solo or sharing it with loved ones. Get ready to savor every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.